There are two questions which you have to ask every day to make 1% progress every day in English, in speaking English, to speak confidently, to grow fastly, to become better day by day. And for this, you have to ask these two questions. Before starting your day, you have to ask one question: what I'm going to learn today? What I'm going to learn today? And end of the day, you have to ask, what did I learn today? So, my friend, if you ask this question, then you can keep the calculation, measurement of your investment of your time, and investment of your energy. The energy, time you are giving in listening, in reading, in speaking, in observing. So you have to ask to yourself, what did you learn from listening? What did you learn from reading? What did you learn from speaking? If you ask, my friend, then you will get the answer. If you ask, my friend, then you will be alert. Whenever you will go for listening, for reading, for speaking, that time you will go with this mindset that what I am going to learn by listening, by reading, by speaking. And that's how you will be able to be focused while listening, while reading, while talking. Why? Because you have to answer yourself. What did you learn from listening? What did you learn from reading and talking? Then you will do these all things with attention, with focus. And if you do in this way, then you will add 1% progress in your journey, in your improvement. So my friend, if you ask this question every day to yourself, then you will go with this intention that I am going to listening, I have to learn something from listening. I am going to talk, I am going to read, I have to learn something from reading, from talking. So in this way you will be focused, you will be able to pay your attention and learn something by doing these activities. And in actual manner you will get outcome of your input, of your investment of time, investment of energy. But if you do all things just blindly, that you have to do listening, talking, and reading, and you are doing, so you will not see any progress in your improvement, in your growth, in your English. But if you ask, do the calculation, measurement of your investment of time, investment of energy, then you will be alert. You have to learn something. And that's how, my dear friend, you will propel yourself to make 1% progress every day in your English, in your speaking English. And that will add the benefit, that will make you better day by day. That's how you will grow day by day, my friend. So ask these two questions: what I am going to learn today, and what did I learn today? And whatever you learn by reading and listening, then and there you have to write down. You have to write down that, and you have to write those all things, whatever you will learn. Okay, that could be anything. If I talk about my 1% progress of today, so I am telling you what I learned today. So I learned one pronunciation of one word that I was unable to tell, and now I am able to tell, not very good way, but at least I learned. Entrepreneur, this much also I was unable to tell, but now I can tell this much: entrepreneur. So this one I learned. By reading I learned one very good knowledge, I learned information, and that is Our mind is garden, our thought is seed. And whatever seed we will sow in our mind, that kind of result we will get. So it means we should think good, we should think positive, because our thought is the seed, our mind is the garden. If we think negative, then we will get negative results. So that's why we have to take care of these things, because what we think we become. So this one I learned from my book. Next, I got one ideas which I'm telling you how to make 1% progress. So this idea I got, and this time I'm making video for you people. I'm doing my own creativity. So you also have to do. Okay, when you are listening, reading, speaking, anything you are doing, and you get any ideas, any knowledge, words, sentences, pronunciation, any problem you solved, you have to write all things in your notebook. Why? Because when you will ask what did I learn today, then you can tell yourself what you learn. And there will be record of your 1% progress of every day. So every day you have to write the date and whatever you learn. You, if you solve any problem also, you have to write down how you solved that problem. If you get any ideas, then you have to write. So in this way you can make your 1% progress record of every day. And whenever you will feel down, demotivation, that that you can't do, you, this is not your cup of tea, so my friend, that condition, so my friend, in that time you have to go back and watch those notebook. If you watch, then you will feel motivated, you feel proud that how you solved your problem, how you got idea, you worked on that, you learned so many things. Those things make you feel confident and give you motivation, and you can motivate yourself and push yourself and go ahead in your life, improve day by day. So my friend, in this way you can make 1% progress every day in English, in speaking English. And whether you are a English learner or not, I will tell everybody should do this one, because we are investing our time and energy. So we should also take care of this thing, what I'm getting. If I'm not getting, then I need to really change it, because our future is depend on our present. So we don't have to spoil our present, because our future is depend on our present. So we have to do well, better in our present time, then we can be better in future as well. So my friend, that's how, by asking these two questions, you can make 1% progress every day, and by writing you can record them in your notebook. And whenever you will feel down at any moment of your life, that will make you feel proud, that will give you motivation, propel you, feel, feed the confidence in you to grow, to go ahead. So, my friend, I hope you like this technique to making 1% progress every day. And this is for everyone. Whether you are English learner or not, this is for everyone. It can be applied in our life. This is for our life. So I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. We will meet in next video.